Did you know a small medieval prince once stopped the most feared conqueror on earth using nothing but terror? Vlad III ruled Wallachia, a tiny principality with no real army to speak of. His enemy was Mehmed II, the sultan who had just crushed Constantinople and seemed impossible to stop. So Vlad chose a different weapon. When Mehmed marched his forces toward the Wallachian capital of Targovist in 1462, he found something that stopped him cold: miles of impaled bodies. Thousands of Ottoman prisoners arranged by rank, rotting on wooden stakes in the open air. Mehmed reportedly turned his army around and left. The most powerful military force in Europe had been broken not by swords, but by a calculated act of horror. Vlad had found the one thing that worked, but he never got to enjoy it. His own brother Radu, who had converted to Islam and allied with the Ottomans, led the faction that finally removed him from power. The empire couldn't defeat him. His own family did.